Hello everyone, you want to see a fantastic AI that can convert 2D images to 3D animation? Just keep your eye on this tutorial.
First, see some 2D images. Now, I am converting these 2D images to 3D animation. Now maybe you thought about how I created this type of animation from 2D images. So, today, I will show you how to convert 2D images to 3D animation with AI. Let's get started. First, I will show you the site about. Site name is LeiaPix.com. LeiaPix Converter is a free image processing tool that enables instant conversion of 2D images into beautiful 3D Lightfield images. Now go to convert.leiapix.com. Bring your images to life. LeiaPix Converter lets you turn any of your favorite images into stunning depth animations. Now click the Sign In button and sign in with your mail address. Click Upload or drag and drop your image here to start. Now we need a 2D image, normal images, that you will convert 2D images to 3D images. I take a Mid-Journey generated art to convert to 3D animation. So to upload an image, we need to click the Upload button and select your image. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Guys, see the animated image. It looks pretty, so now we can modify the animation. To modify the animation length, click the animation length. Now you can change the animation length up to 6 seconds. To change the animation style, click the animation style. You can see here different types of styles. You can select the style of your own choice. Also, you can change the amount of motion. That's it. Your animation is done. Also, here are some of the customization options. Also, you can modify this.